Welcome to our summary and takeaways of The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach. Let's dive in and discover how you can automate your way to financial success. David Bach's The Automatic Millionaire offers a simple, practical approach to building wealth. It's about automating your finances, not complex budgeting. Bach's core message: you don't need a high income to become wealthy. What you need is a plan to automate your financial life. The book focuses on simple, actionable steps that anyone can take. It's about small changes that lead to big financial results over time. One of the key concepts is the latte factor. It's about identifying small daily expenses that add up significantly over time. Think about that daily coffee, lunch out, or any small purchases. These seem insignificant, but they can make a big difference. The key is redirecting these funds to savings and investments instead. This is where automation comes in. Pay yourself first is a fundamental principle. Treat your savings as a non-negotiable bill that you pay each month. The best way to do this? Automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings and investment accounts. Think of your savings as your most important bill. If it's automatic, it gets paid every month without fail. The power of automation can't be overstated. Once set up, it runs in the background, allowing you to build wealth without thinking about it daily. Start by setting up automatic transfers. Choose an amount and frequency that works for you, and let the system do the rest. Utilize direct deposit to automatically route a portion of your paycheck to savings. Also, use bill pay to automate your other expenses. Homeownership is another key strategy. Your mortgage paydown is a form of automatic savings and wealth building. Every mortgage payment you make reduces your debt and increases your equity. This is automatic wealth building at work. Consider strategies for faster mortgage repayment, such as extra principal payments. This can significantly shorten the life of your loan and save you money. Investing for the long term is crucial. Bach recommends simple, low-cost investment options that anyone can understand. Consider using index funds, which track the market and have low fees. These are simple and effective for long-term growth. The key is consistency, not timing the market. Invest regularly, regardless of market conditions, and let compound interest work its magic. In summary, The Automatic Millionaire is all about automating your finances. It's about making small changes that lead to big results over time. Automate your savings, automate your investments, automate your bill pay. This will set you on the path to becoming an automatic millionaire. Remember, small changes lead to big results over time. Start today, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve with automation.